Hi, guys. Join me as I take on the challenge of bringing my struggling orchids back to life using just this one drop miracle. Orchids are one of the most beautiful and exotic flowers, but they can also be tricky to care for. If you've noticed your orchids looking weak, failing to bloom, or even on the verge of dying, don't worry. I have a simple and powerful method that will bring it back to life. With just one drop of a natural solution, your orchid can regain its strength, develop new leaves, and bloom again in no time. This technique works for struggling plants of all kinds, but it is especially effective for orchids. The secret lies in a combination of proper care, pruning, and a homemade revitalizing water that delivers nutrients your plants needs to recover. Okay, let's dive into how you can revive your orchid and ensure it thrives for years to come. Step 1: Orchid rejuvenation, and that covers pruning and root care. Before introducing the revitalizing water, you must prepare your orchid by removing dead or damaged parts, particularly its roots. Step 2: Making the revitalizing garlic water. Garlic is a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent that strengthens plant roots, prevent diseases, and boost growth. This simple garlic infused water will act as a tonic to rejuvenate your orchids. How to prepare? You can prepare it by crushing 2 to 3 garlic cloves and place them in 500 ml of warm water in a jar for a few hours or overnight. Then strain the mixture. Step 3: Revitalizing your orchids with garlic water. Once your orchids is pruned and dry, it's time to introduce the revitalizing garlic water. Place the orchid roots in a glass of the garlic water for 20 minutes. This helps disinfect the roots and encourage new growth. Or use it to water the orchid's roots and base, avoiding the leaves and flowers. You can repeat this process every 4 to 6 weeks. With this care routine, your orchids will begin developing new leaves in about 2 weeks. Step 4: Stimulating growth with ginger water. Ginger contains powerful antioxidants and bioactive compounds that promote root health and boost flowering potential. By preparing a simple ginger infused water, you can give your orchids an additional source of energy that enhances its ability to produce new leaves and flowers. How to prepare? Use one sprig of fresh ginger, cut into pieces, and soaking it in warm water for about an hour. After this time, strain out the ginger pieces, leaving a nutrient rich liquid behind. Then, soak the base of the orchid in a ginger water mixture for 20 minutes. Every 10 days, take 2 teaspoons of this ginger water and mix it with about half a liter of regular tap water. Use this mixture to water your orchids, ensuring it gets absorbed into the roots. After a few weeks or a couple of months, your orchids will look like this. So there you go, guys, how the one drop miracle solution can help. It's an easy, effective way to restore your orchid's health, and it's something that you can try at home today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time.